Okay, guys, so I'm really excited because in this video I will be talking about my top 5 UK suppliers to dropship on eBay UK. So before we start, in my channel I'm talking about dropshipping on eBay UK. I can see that there's not a lot of content about it, and I decided to share this content with you and help you guys to make money drop shipping on eBay UK. So, of course, if you have questions, suggested videos that you want me to do, please leave your comments below. This way, I will know about it. And yes, so and if you are new to this channel, so please consider subscribing, and I really will appreciate that. So let's begin. So the first supplier, and one of my top 5 suppliers, so it is vidaxl.co.uk. Okay, so the thing with this supplier, so this supplier mostly sells have high-end furniture, um, like for home and garden and patio furniture, and lots of other cool stuff. What I really love about this website that is it has really high end stuff that and it's not, they are selling their own brand, but their own brand is not like popular or something like that, so no one will search Vidax home garden bench. Okay, so this way you can take their items and mark up the price and sell them on eBay easily. And another very important thing that all of their items are free shipping. Okay, so it is excellent because it is uh, giving us more profit. So prices are very good and free shipping. And very important thing that you need to do, you need to remember that on vidaxl.co.uk, if you go to topcashback.co.uk, you can actually get 5.25% um, cashback. Okay, this is huge. Like 5.25% when you are selling a lot of items from them, it really adds up, and it can give you boost your profit. And yeah, I don't need to say anything else because it is high cashback, and you have to use this cashback because it is also will help you to be more competitive and more profit to your pocket. So let's talk about the returns. This is the downsides that they only offer 14 days of return, and the annoying thing that you can't print a prepaid label or download a prepaid label from their website. You have to contact them by email, and then they will say to you that if you want a replacement, or they will ship the broken part or missing part, or you want a full refund. It is a little bit of annoying process, but I didn't had a lot of returns from this supplier, so so far so good. And yeah, customer service, as I told you, you can't call them, you only can email them about returning your items. So this is the downside, but still, the profit here is very high, and this is why I use them. And one tip before I move on, I want to say to you that you want to like to combine those sellers together. Okay, I have an other sellers that I use, that I'm testing, and in smaller amounts. And you need to keep that in mind, that if something happens with your supplier, okay, because I had this in the past, And actually, I will be making a video about the worst suppliers. Okay, the suppliers that you have to avoid, especially when you're starting off and you don't want to lose any money. Okay, so you need to keep that in mind, that you want to like combine them in a healthy way, that if something happens, your sales are not going down to zero. You want to always keep the momentum. So yeah, this is about Vita Excel. Cashback, you have to use cashback on this website. Cashback is great. They're really solid about it. Delivery, I didn't have any problem with deliveries or something like that. Very good supplier. So let's hop into the next one. So the next one is domu.co.uk. So this supplier mostly sell like professional dye tools, power tools. So the thing with this supplier, he sells his own brand called Von House. So some of the people that I know say Von House is a Vero brand. Some of them saying that it's not. I tested it out and with a small amount, and I built up my way with this supplier, and I don't have any problems so far. I have now a larger amount of items from them. Very professional tools, high quality. Shipping is very solid, tracking on time, and very good supplier. Really, very good supplier. Again, as I told you, you need to combine them all together, not use only this, because if something happens, everything's okay, and you just move on with your supply, the other suppliers that you are working with, and not like put all of your listings from dom.co.uk. This is not the case. Returns, so returns, you can call them. That this is a good thing, that you can talk to them and not wait days for the email. You can call them, book a collection from your customer house. They will send you by email a prepaid label for the courier to pick up the item from your buyer. And basically that's it. If you want a replacement, they will ship you a new replacement or a full refund. I didn't have any problem with them. They are quite solid, no any cancellations or something like that. Really good supplier overall. And also you have here also cashback on topcashback.co.uk. Um, the percentage varies about it depends on the price of the item that you purchase. They have um, like between 10 to 40, it's like 2%, and so on, so you just can go to the cashback website, type domo, and it will give you the exact amount of cashback. And so let's go to the next one. So the next one, also one of the best and the largest on UK. It's George.com, owned by Asda, and Asda, uh, if I'm correct, they owned by Walmart on the United States. So they have really cool items, really unique items, and very, very good prices that you can mark up your items and sell them for a higher price. I really love this supplier. And the, also they have cashback. Okay, so on some of the categories, it is changing all the time. Sometimes they will do it on a baby category, sometimes on home and garden, and it can get, I think, up to 4%. Again, you can check that out on the cashback website. And the one problem that this supplier has is your buyers will receive the invoice with the price of the item that you paid for. And yes, I receive emails from buyers complaining, but this is not stopping me to use this supplier. And why is that? Because I'm making good money from that supplier, and I also receive cashback, and and there's and this is a solid supplier, good supplier with good returns, good customer service, good shipping. Everything is perfect in this supplier, so I will not stop using the supplier because the invoices. So again, as I told you, because I have the momentum, I have another suppliers that gives me the good feedback. So even if I receive a bad feedback, nothing is wrong. Everything is okay. I still maintain a very high positive feedback because of the other feedbacks that I receive. So keep that in mind. Always you want a good combination. Okay. Also, really easy to download your invoices for tax purposes. I will not go into this. About returns, you can download a prepaid label from Collect Plus website. You just put your order number and your email, and you can download a prepaid return label of Collect Plus, and that's it. It's very simple. You just upload it to eBay. Customer service, great customer service. When they mess up something that it mostly don't happen, they will give you like a free shipping on your next order or something like that. Really good with this thing. So let's go to the fourth one. So of course it is Amazon UK, the biggest shark in the sea. So when I started only with Amazon, and for all the new drop shippers, I suggest start with Amazon. And why is that? Because they have like sick amount of items on their website, and most of the time they are the cheapest one online. And there's nothing to say. A to Z, the best customer service, the easiest returns ever. You don't need to call anyone. Again, everything is from your account. You can do this in seconds. And yeah, prices, of course, this the lowest prices. They don't have any cashback. I used Kickstart for cashback from Amazon, but they closed my account because I was purchasing too much. So I don't have any cashback for Amazon, but still great supplier. I use them all the time. Not in a huge amount that I was using before I became VAT registered, but you don't need to go into VAT now. But believe me, if you start with Amazon, you will thank me later. Also, it will boost up your feedback like crazy because their shipping is like lightning fast. And again, something happens, the A to Z, best customer service in the world. So definitely recommended. And let's cover the last and least, zooplus.co.uk. So Zooplus, it is a website for pet supplies, okay, from beds, furniture, cat houses and stuff like that, to food, everything. So a good thing with this supplier, very convenient, very dropship friendly. You can dropship like how many items that you want. They're not canceling orders or something like that. Amazing customer service. Like I remember I called twice. Someone wanted to return the item. They just gave me a full refund, saying you can throw the item or keep it, or just keep it. Amazing customer service. They are very solid about the shipping and tracking. I think that They are uploading tracking at the same day. Okay, if you purchase in the morning, you will receive your tracking by the end of the day. A very recommended supplier. You receive free shipping from 29 pounds worth of items. And the cool thing here that you can purchase a membership. I don't remember exactly how much it costs. I think maybe £3, £6, something like that, for a year, and you receive 3% straight away on your checkout. 3% off on all the items. So all the prices you see here, you can you can get 3% off all the items on your checkout. You will see the actual price after your discount. It's not like cashback that you need to wait for the cashback to that you will receive after like maybe month or two. This is you are receiving this discount straight on your checkout. Yeah, and this is an amazing thing for me also, to be more competitive, and again more profit for you. And also on top of that, they have cashback, I think 2% for existing customers. So it like around 5% in total. That this is a great thing and really recommended. And what else about this supplier that I can say? It's a very unique supplier because you don't have a lot of like animals, pet supplies suppliers. So it is very good supplier. Again, customer service great, returns also great. And yeah, so I think that's it for my best suppliers. And again, if you find this video helpful and you want to see more content about dropshipping on eBay UK, and if you are new to this channel, that this is what I do. I make full time from eBay UK, and I will be glad to help you and share my progress and information. So please consider to subscribe, comment for questions, and please leave this video a thumbs up if you find this helpful. So thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video.